Traders and trading view community. So we're taking a look at Bitcoin today. We can see that Bitcoin is trying to, it's starting a fight back from a decent run lower that we've seen throughout the Asian session today. And SHIB may be part of that. So they did offer some news that came out of the market, a new offering, and basically SHIB fell pretty hard, and we saw a very decent drop of close to 5%. It has clawed most of that back now, and we are seeing a lot of other coins climbing back as well. So, Bitcoin Cash, Polkadot, Ripple, for instance, and Cardano, Axie, they're all trading higher after a pretty mixed morning. We're still watching Ethereum, BNB, and Bitcoin as they remain in the red. Bitcoin had a decent drop, and we can see that it's been fighting back off those lows. There is some other news out today as well. So Coinbase did advise that they have approval from the National Futures Association to offer crypto futures to retail investors. So that is seen as some good news. It will also bring American retail traders back into the crypto market through futures contracts. And we will continue to watch Bitcoin to see if it can continue to claw back some of these losses. We had some pretty interesting volume over the last 3 days. We can see in particular yesterday's session we had a very high volume spike, and volumes have really been building around this position here, and then we did see this decline. So the worry is if we do close below this level of support that the market had been trading above previously, and then there's also resistance really around this area here. It was a bit of a trading range until today's session. We saw a break of that area. So we are hoping to see that price can get back into that range. If we do close below it and then we do have another lower low, that would be a bit of a worry. Would like to see if buyers can get some control back. If we do see another plunge or further pushes lower, we'll be looking for this area here to come back in as support. And if we just zoom out on the chart a bit and take a look at the trend, so we can see the real main trend line is just here. I've put that in. We can see prices getting very close to that point again. So even if we did see a bit of a push down into this area here, would be hoping to see some demand would come back in, and maybe we could see a hold of that trend line and then see some more buying to try and resurrect and maintain this uptrend that we are seeing. So this pattern that we are seeing here, this decline, it's been very drawn out and very gradual. It does sort of have some similarities to this pullback we did see here in this area. So maybe we would hope to see that it is a little bit of history repeating and we have the same type of pullback pattern. And once we get back to an area around here, we could see a new bounce like we did see previously back in June. So we'll continue to keep an eye on it. The real keys here is we'd like to see price sort of get back above support. We don't really want to see it close below that trend line. And we'll continue to watch this volume and some of the other markets. If they do continue to rise, will we see more buyers come back into Bitcoin? So that's just some of our thoughts today and some of the things we're watching at the moment on Bitcoin. So thank you very much for your time. I wish you all the best for your trading for the rest of the day. And until our next update, good trading and bye for now.